Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, about an year back, I uploaded a video on how to keep track of our fixed deposit accounts. In this video, I am presenting a much more sophisticated and much more user-friendly macro-enabled Excel sheet for keeping record of our fixed deposit accounts. This is fully automated Excel sheet. In fact, there are two Excel sheets, one for active fixed deposit accounts and another one for matured or closed fixed deposit accounts. Sometimes we need to look back our closed accounts also for various tax purpose and other things. So rules, how to use this Excel sheet. The rules are written here. First of all, in this page, you see there are two buttons. One is delete first row button. First row will be deleted, and the second one is help button. That means if there is any issue in this sheet, if you click it, it will be solved. And similarly, in the matured account, there is one button called fix it. If there is some issue, it will fix it. So here, first of all, here we have to, this means in the active sheet, active fixed deposit account, you have to write the account number here, principal amount, maturity amount, rate of interest, opening date or the value date when the fixed deposit was opened, and then the date of maturity, tenure, name of the bank, and maturity instruction. Okay, and sometimes there will be normal maturity, normal closure of account. Sometimes there are premature closure also. So premature closure rule is, in case of premature closure, replace the existing maturity date by date of closure, which is normally the current date, that is today. If you have closed some accounts, it will be today's date. Then go to the second sheet of matured accounts, that means here, and there you have to write the amount received. Okay, it's written here. You have to write the amount received against that account. Then again return to this sheet and click on the delete first row. Click on the delete first row button, and don't delete any row manually. That means by pressing control minus button, don't try to delete any row. You can simply mark the entries by mouse button right from this column to the last column. Okay, like this, just mark it like this, and then you can delete it. But okay, but don't delete entire row by pressing control minus button. That's what is written here. Don't delete any row manually. For matured accounts, that means which is not premature closure, uh, first you have to go to the second sheet, and here it is written for matured account, click on the fixed button first. Okay, then that account will be visible here, and write the amount received against that account, and also write the action in that matured account, what you have done, renewed or closed, whatever action you have taken, write that, and nothing else. Others will be auto populated, they will be automatically filled up. Then in the first sheet of active accounts, replace the existing maturity. That means you go to the first sheet of active accounts here, and there in the maturity date of that particular account which is matured, uh, yeah, you replace the existing date by the new maturity date in case of renewal, or click on the delete first row button for closure, and for any issues, click on the help or fix it buttons. Okay, so I show you an example. Let me, I have already written some hypothetical account numbers, so it is something like this. So here you see these are some hypothetical account numbers, hypothetical amounts, principal amounts, hypothetical maturity amounts, the rate of interest is also hypothetical, some opening date, just hypothetical I have written, and some maturity dates. And tenure also, different types of tenure. It crops up by default, but then you can always change this. If you think that no, it was not 400 days, it was also 1 year, so simply you can write 1 year. Okay, no problem. Okay, it is written capital. Sorry, let me, my cap lock is on, so you can write 1 year like that. So it will take
One
1
or
year.
more accounts at
No
the top have
problem.
already matured. One or more accounts at the
But
top have
listen
already
to this
matured.
announcement.
One or more accounts at the top have already matured. One
So
or more accounts at the top have already matured.
yeah. So whenever you click any button or change anything, so if you have, there will be some announcement in case some account has already matured. So this update means this account has matured a long time back, at least not today, either yesterday or before it has matured. These two have matured yesterday or before, and this account has matured. These two accounts have matured today, and then others are dates are visible. Here also you can see the date. You can either you can double click or you view the formula button. In the formula button also you can see. So you go to the formula button. So you can see that it is actually matured on 21st of March 21/3/2025, and this one, second one, matured on 27/4/2025, and today means today's date is 2nd of May 2025. So all are visible. So this is one option. This way you can do, or you can double click it. Any cell here, just double click, it will be visible here. But if I click it, there will be 4 announcement once again. Anyway, no problem. Just have patience and listen to these 4 announcements. Yeah, but you see, this date is visible here also. If you double click it, date will be visible here also. But now if you press enter, there will be announcement.
One or more accounts at the top have already matured.
So this is for this
One
one.
or more accounts at the top have already matured.
So this is for this
One
one.
or more accounts at the top have already matured.
Another one.
One or more accounts at the top have already matured.
Yeah. So this now, so these have matured. So now you have to take necessary action in the bank or your internet banking, whatever. And according after that, you can come back here again and then make necessary changes. Now, for example, this has matured. So here, what uh, this is matured long time back, and perhaps the instruction was repeat. So you must have come back to your savings account. Okay, so here simply go to for it is normal closure, so go to the this sheet, and in this sheet you see this account is visible in gray color. Let's see whether it is really visible or not. This account number is 1895, and here this account number is 895. So it has already I have already written it. So therefore one job is actually done. So I have to simply click on this row button, delete first row button,
One or more
and it
accounts
will
at the
go.
top have already matured.
Now I show
One
you
or
for
more
the
accounts at
second
the
one.
top have already matured. One or more accounts at the top have already matured.
Yeah, so it will automatically go to the top. Now this one is auto renewed. So if it is auto, if you ask for auto renewed, so it is go to this one. Let's see, yeah, auto renewed. But even if it is auto renewed, some amount you might have received already. Okay, so it is written for matured account. Click on write the amount received. So whatever amount you have received. So there, this is perhaps we have received suppose 162000. Remaining amount may be tax. Okay, so just press enter. So this is closed. Okay, so since this is closed, so we have to go to the first sheet and delete the first row button. So this account 897 is appearing at the top. I'll just close it. So click here.
One or more accounts
So
at
it
the
will
top
go.
have already matured. One or more accounts at the top have already matured.
Okay. So now this one is 893. So this also has matured, but let us say this is 893 has come here, but this time suppose I have renewed it. So what I'll do here, I'll write the maturity amount whatever I have received. So it is 36 say 000 okay, so 793 rupees maybe tax. Okay, so after that, since I have renewed it, I have to come here. So remember 893 I am talking about. So I have to come here, I have to write renewed. So I have written renewed here. So it is renewed here. So here now nothing we have to do. And the new maturity date I have to write now here. So here what happens? Just click on this, just one single click, and then in this formula, this thing you write the new maturity date. Suppose the new maturity date is now say 28 6 2026. Okay, suppose 28 6 2026, and whatever all these entries you want to change, you can change. Okay, 1 year 6 month or 400 days or 300 days, whatever it is, you can change it from here. And after this you press simply enter.
One or more accounts at the top have already
So this
matured.
will automatically be removed from this. So this account has come here, you see, this account has come here. So now what this was the old principal and old maturity amount. This must have changed. So now it is perhaps you have saved it, you received 3,000 3,60,000. So let us make it, because here you have written 3,60,000 you have received. So this amount has been renewed. So here you will write 3,60,000 like this, and the maturity
One
amount
or
will
more
be,
accounts at the top have already matured.
yeah, this is every time this automatically this announcement will be there as long as this is there. So now the maturity amount maybe say 389 210. Oh sorry, what I have written, 389210. This may be the new maturity amount. Okay, so
One
just
or
press
more
enter.
accounts at the top have
So in
already
this way,
matured.
that matured account was renewed like this, and now the new maturity instruction you have, it is written repay here. But if you think that no, I have again asked for auto renewal, so no
One or
problem,
more
just write
accounts
auto
at the
renewal,
top have already
it will
matured.
be auto renewed. Okay, and then so this way it will keep on this thing. So again for this one today, suppose it, even though it is written auto renewed, but you might have given instruction earlier, or okay, so you might have actually withdrawn it. So no problem, so go to this 900, remember 900, so it will be here 900, automatically it will be visible. So you must have withdrawn it, so there is some tax deduction also maybe. So just withdrawn it and closed it, and so again come back here, simply delete it because you have already withdrawn it. Now this next date is, so there are, you have seen the different colors are there. Pink color is for if the account has matured yesterday or before. Red is for if the account has matured today. Green within 30 days, or no, or within 15 days, and this one within 30 days, and this one within 45 days probably. Okay, and on 13th of May, this will become automatically become red, and if you don't take any action, then on 14th of May this will become pink. So that way you will get an indication. So use it and hope that it will be useful for you, and it is quite easy to use. In this, then the second sheet only one column you have to fill up, others are auto populated. And in the last column, if you don't agree with closed, suppose you have renewed it, then manually we have to type renewed here or wherever it goes. Once you write this number, another number will appear here, another account will appear here, and this will go on top. So they are only just write renewed. So that way you can use it. Okay. So that's all in this video. Hope it will be useful. By the way, you can download this Excel sheet from the link given in the description of this video. And secondly, you see there is a roller. So if you have too many accounts, this type of roller is useful. Otherwise, you can go to the view pane and this unfreeze the pins. So this roller is gone now. You see, okay. So this roller is gone. And similarly here also roller is there, but if you have only few accounts, then again go to unfreeze button. So unfreeze it, so it will now again become without a roller. So if you want to introduce roller, so again you go here, freeze here like this. So roller has come back, and here also how many accounts you want to view. You want to view 4 accounts maybe. So click it here, view, and then freeze the pin here. So roller has come back with 4 visible accounts on the top, at the top, and the remaining ones will be there. The rule is there. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.